Welcome to Springfield. We're just outside the village of Oak, between Oak and Bradford-on-Tone, and we have this fantastic home coming to the market. We have a beautiful 4-bedroom home. We've got some paddocks with land suitable for ponies, and to top it all, we've got a fantastic holiday business for the shepherd's hut, which gives you the opportunity for additional income. One of my personal favourites, Oak Manor Golf Course, literally just down the road. If you don't play golf but you fancy good food, I can highly recommend it. But let's have a good look around. There's plenty to see. So we have in total 3.2 acres, 2.2 acres of it are the paddocks, which are right next to the property. Perfect. So if you are somebody that enjoys a peace of mind of keeping your eyes on your ponies, your horses, this works really well. But also the sun just follows you around through the day. We've got views to the Blackdown Hills and views to the Quantocks. It really is a perfect setup. I think I should say welcome to Quantock View. This is a haven, I think would be the word I'd describe. It's a lovely little unit of ground next to the property, but just slightly separate, that our clients have over the last few years turned into a great holiday business. It's not too consuming. It turns over about £10,000, £11,000 a year, but it's just gorgeous. You've got the views again. All I need now, I feel, is a fire pit and some marshmallows. I'd be very happy to stay here. Well, we talk about a room with a view. I think you've definitely got it here. We're in the principal bedroom. It's been designed to really soak up the panoramic views that take in the Blackdown Hills, surrounding countryside. Who wouldn't want to wake up to that view every morning? I think everybody will agree, Springfield has so much to offer, from a versatile home that can be multi-generational to the adjoining land and the opportunities that provides, and that lovely little business that if you don't want to run it as a business but just fill it with friends and family for barbecues, fun and memories, it just works. This is one not to miss. Do give us a call, come and have a look at it.